Takodana's underworld has taken the day off to make way for the galaxy's most deadly and dashing, which seems very out of character.
You don't mean me any harm.
Defy me? Despair consumes your destiny.
Chewbacca has fallen.
Swift and decisive offense.
You live at my whim.
Only a Sith deals in our streets.
Mandalorian armor can deflect every shot.
The Force is strong.
Don't mind me.
First Order will rule the galaxy.
Let's just speed this up.
Submit to me.
At this rate, none of us will.
Yes, well, this battle scares me less than the food in the Jedi Temple.
Face the darkness.
Supreme Leader Snoke will not be pleased.
Jedi comes. Pitiful. From mine.
Master Yoda has fallen.
weapons!
I claim. Fall.
You're not giving me options.
Suffer. A Jedi, young but powerful.
You know me. You know your odds.
Flee.
You're hesitating. Going in tight!
Scream.
Get back!
A Jedi. He has not tooled my kind.
Down!
Mine.
Now!
Fall.
Warning you! Whoever that is,
Grasp and squirm. Fear.
stop! Last chance!
Fight me.
A bad day to be done all.
Bow to the First Order.
Stop it!
Witness power. You think you can resist?
Going in tight!
A terrible burst of events for the resistance.
You insist on waiting? I kill stronger foes.
Something dark is coming. Something familiar.
You're nothing.
You did your best.
Submit to me.
We'll stop you!
I killed stronger foes. Your armor is tarnished.